I'm literally having a mental breakdown. Like, I'm so ugly. I'm so ugly. Then I do my skincare routine and I shave my face and I fix my eyebrows and I'm like, damn, I'm the hottest bitch alive. Literally every single time. Like, me looking dry is why I thought I was ugly. I realized 10 minutes before starting to film this video that I don't have a tripod. I broke it like yesterday or the day before. So I do use some of my old YouTube skills from when I first started making YouTube videos. I have you guys stacked up on the jar that I use for Splenda because it's the right height. I'm currently doing my edges. I'm just gonna do like my basic everyday makeup because I don't think I've done a video like this. I think I've done it in vlogs, but I haven't done a video where I really just sit down and I explain what I do for my makeup every day and why I do the things that I do. I even put on a jacket so that it would feel like more realistic, like I'm going out. In vlogs, I definitely have explained what I like to do, but just so that there's a video specifically for this, I think will be good, so you don't have to watch an entire vlog. If you're like, oh my god, do you have a hickey on your neck? No, this random rash appeared on my neck. I love having eczema. I just did my skincare. I like to use the roche-posay double repair, and then I double moisturize with the Kiehl's ultra facial cream, and then I top it off with my bio oil. I haven't really been using sunscreen lately, which is bad because you need UV protection, but I've noticed since I stopped using my sunscreen, the rash on my face has like significantly gone down. So maybe it's my sunscreen that's causing that rash. I don't know, because I've had this rash for months and my dermatologist appointment for this rash is not until January, and it's currently October. The sun keeps going in and out, which is really frustrating. I love gloomy days. It's the fall baby in me, I think. I love fall weather. I love cold. You can just layer up as much as you'd like. Let me show you guys what I like to do. This is the makeup I wear when I go to the gym, when I go to the grocery store. This is my everyday makeup, and it's very basic, like 4 or 5 products, like nothing crazy. I am very minimal when it comes to makeup and leaving my house. I know on my channel I like to wear quite a bit of makeup in my videos, but that's just me having fun because makeup is art. You're just like painting your face. Your face is the canvas and you're just having fun. I save loads of Pinterest makeup looks and I try and attempt them. So the first thing that I like to do is I like to put on concealer. I like to use the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. I believe that's what it's called. I will have it on the screen just in case. I use the color Cafe, which is dark number 1. Living downtown is so annoying because you have people who think it's okay to like blast the loudest music ever. Trash music too. Anyways, I usually just put dots, but I'm gonna put a little bit more today. I just put this concealer on my lip too because when I was a kid, I had really bad eczema around my lip. So I kind of have like a 5 o'clock shadow, like kind of like a darker upper lip. Also, I'm dark skinned, so I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. Anyway, my birthday is coming up and I'm so excited because every year for my birthday I love to go to Sephora. I already have a video on my channel where I went to Sephora for my, I think it was my 20th birthday. I went to Sephora. I usually set myself a budget and I always go over it because Sephora is so expensive. You grab like 2 products and you're over $100. Like my foundation, my NARS foundation, that's $50, and I have to rebuy that this year because that shade is like 1-2 shades too dark. Like if you've seen me apply that, you know it, I kind of get a little like black. I'm giving blackface with that. I'm giving when Zoe was trying to play fucking Nina Simone in that movie and they put darker foundation on her. That's that's what I get with that. Anyways, I usually let that set and I'll do my eyebrows, but I'm taking my time because I want to talk. But yeah, I'm really excited for my birthday. I'm just gonna go to Sephora. That's all I really want to do in terms of shopping because I like to treat myself on my birthday. And I plan to make a vlog. I usually don't vlog because Sephora is one of those stores where you can't film in them, and then also like the sales associates are just like on your ass. And also I'm blending this out with this mini flat kabuki brush. I saw someone blend out their concealer with a small kabuki brush like a few months ago. I don't remember where I saw it, but I was like, that's really smart. I really like it. Instead of using a flat brush or a beauty blender, because you can really focus it in. So I've been doing this for a few weeks and I love it. Concealer where? On my upper lip because I'm blending out. Yeah, and then I also plan to, I really want to get donuts this year for my birthday. I've always done like cake or cupcakes, and this year I just want donuts. I already have it planned out in my head. I'm gonna get 6 donuts. I know that I want an apple flavored donut, like an apple fritter donut, is that what they're called? I'm gonna put candles in them, and I want to literally sit on my couch and watch movies. I really want to watch like very nostalgic movies. I want to watch like Spirited Away. I want to watch Sunny with a Chance of Meatballs. Like, I haven't watched that movie in years because they just bring back so many like memories, and they're just cute and lighthearted movies. And then I also really want like a burrito. Like, that's what I really want for my birthday, is a burrito. I haven't had a burrito in like over a year. I just want a burrito, like a good meaty burrito, like steak, carne asada. Then I'm gonna use the Brow Freeze by Anastasia. I really like this. The only thing is, like, a few months ago it started turning white. Like, this is supposed to be clear, like a clear gel. I just use a spoolie from e.l.f. and I use the cap to kind of like disperse the product, so I'm not putting hella on my eyebrows. But yeah, I'm also gonna get more of this. This is my favorite. Some people, they use the e.l.f. one. I haven't tried that one yet. And I still have this, and I bought this like 2 years ago. I don't know, I'll check the date. I'll check the date and put it on the screen so I'm not wrong. In my vlogs, I'd be saying information incorrectly all the time. So I've got them up. I personally don't like this type of brow, so I just take the back of a pair of tweezers and I literally push the eyebrow hairs down into like a more sculpted look. I need to shave my eyebrows. That's what I really need to do. I have to remember to do that like once a week. I always be forgetting. I'm literally having a mental breakdown. Like, I'm so ugly. Then I do my skincare routine and I shave my face and I fix my eyebrows and I'm like, damn, I'm the hottest bitch alive. Literally every single time. Like, me looking dry is why I thought I was ugly. Then I'm going in with the Refy brow pencil. Aaliyah's face, she put me onto this. Like, I was watching her vlogs and she kept promoting this, so I finally bought it. It works. It's amazing. It's actually amazing. I'm gonna focus. I don't think I can talk while doing this. Again, I need to shave my eyebrows. I have to go in with like a light hand. It's very important. I like long, thin brows. A little too sharp here in this corner, but I think it's fine. They're a little dark, but it's okay, whatever. You know, you do your makeup a little differently every day. Not the end of the world. I don't know, I think these are a little too dark, but, and then I just blend them out a little bit with the spoolie side, just lightly. And then to give them more definition, I just go in with the Brow Microfilling Pen by Benefit. See, like, all this makeup that I'm using right now is probably over $100. It's probably close to $200. And I'm literally just doing like basic, like 5-6 products. Barely anything. But I do not like this brow. It's very, she's very dramatic. Okay. I'm just turning my face this way. Anyway, and then Mackenzie messaged me and she offered to like have lunch with me or breakfast, which was really nice because I haven't seen Mackenzie in a while. Definitely, like, when you become an adult, you only see your best friend like once a year.
Ross, so clever.
Your life is boring. Why would you want?
Sadly, now I'm using the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Faith. I used to be a Love and Believe lover. Now I'm on to Faith. Like, I love the purpley color. I swear I put on hella blush and then I take videos of myself like out and you can't even see that I'm wearing blush. I look so like one-toned, and it makes no sense to me because look, right now it looks like I'm wearing hella blush. It looks like I'm wearing maybe even too much blush. But when I'm out and I film myself, I'm like, where's the depth in my face? There's no blush. So I don't know if I need to set this or if it's just the settings on my camera. Yeah, so I'm excited to see Mackenzie when I see her. I also got a job, finally. I've been looking for a job for like months. I don't necessarily need a job, but it's like I want a job so that I can stop stressing about not having a job. You know, like if I'm stressed, at least let it be that I'm stressed with a job rather than without a job. I'm using the Wet n Wild Kohl's crayon in the color black. And I'm not gonna entirely line my lips. I'm actually gonna go in really lightly, like very lightly, just to add like depth to my lip. Like, do you see that? I'm making sure to like really blend it out. I even use like the back of the pencil to like blend it in, because I am using like the black. I'm dark skinned, like I cannot, these browns are like concealer shades. Like what even helps is just doing this while I already have like product on my lips. Okay, perfect. And then I'm gonna go in with the EOS lip. This is the lipstick I've been using lately. So yeah, I finally have a job. I probably start on Monday. I say probably because I need them to call me, tell me what day I come in, but it starts as early as Monday. And then on Monday, I'm also going to a James Blake concert, which I'm so excited because James Blake is like, he's my favorite male artist. Like his voice is so beautiful. It sounds like you're in a cathedral. And then I'm gonna go in with the Milk Kush mascara. I just use mascara. I don't put in individual lashes or anything. Sometimes I will. Sometimes I'll feel like it. But lately my attitude towards lashes is that the whole lashes, baddie aesthetic, you know, like nails, lace front, your hair always needing to be done. You need to wear like these thick lashes. I feel like they age people. Like people, how is it that you're 21 but you look 27? Like it doesn't make any sense to me. I feel like you should just wait until you're 27 to look 27. I don't know, I just feel like the baddie aesthetic ages people, and those heavy lashes like weigh people's eyes down. I just don't like it on me. I just stick with mascara, and I like being able to wash my face. So, and I know that some people can be like allergic to lash extensions, and I'm just like, I don't want to find out if I am, because I literally like, I'm pretty, like, I would most likely be allergic to lash extensions, the way that my skin reacts to things. And then the last thing that I do is I put on some NYX butter gloss in clear. Sometimes I'll put like a color underneath, like I'll put pink or something, but lately clear is all that I need. This is the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do my everyday makeup look. This is what I do for like the gym. Sometimes for the gym I won't put the concealer on, but this is like pretty much what I do. Very basic, but I feel like, you know, it doesn't look like I just rolled out of bed. It looks like I put in effort, you know, like a little bit of effort to look presentable.